Stainless steel and coated materials. Not only can mild or galvanized steel be bent with folding technology, but also a wide variety of specialized materials. Let's begin with stainless steel. Maintaining a perfect surface finish is often important when forming this material. Imprints or scratch marks on visible surfaces must therefore be avoided at all costs. This is where folding technology plays to one of its strengths. Sensitive metal blanks such as these are usually coated with a film that protects the surface of the components during the entire forming process. Even with conventional folding technology, there is only a small movement between the sheet metal and the folding beam tool. The size of the protruding flange is almost the same before and after bending. With no contact during a relative movement of the folding beam tooling to the material means, of course, no scratch marks on the finished surface. RAS bending centers take this standard of quality a step further. In these systems, 3D bending is utilized to completely eliminate scratch marks through simultaneous swivel and bending motions. As a result, you can often form scratch-free parts even without a protective coating. Scratch-free bending is, of course, also a major concern when bending pre-painted blanks. In these applications, it is usually not possible to completely go without surface protection, but thinner and easily removable protective films can be used. It is important to prevent the colored coating from stretching too much during bending, as this can lead to discoloration or even cracking at the bend line. Upper beam tools with a small radius on the leading edge can prevent bend edges from becoming too sharp. Additionally, folding beam tools with plastic inserts can be used. Such tools are also recommended when bending thicker aluminum sheets. The tool radius gently elongates the material, and the plastic inserts glide across the material without damaging the surface. Folding technology. Ideal for stainless steel and coated materials.